Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Twilio SMS API to send alerts programmatically, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on the Twilio website. Once your account is activated, log in to the Twilio dashboard. Navigate to the phone numbers section in the sidebar. Click on Buy a number to acquire a Twilio phone number for sending SMS. Select a number that supports SMS functionality and complete the purchase. Next, go to the Programmable SMS section in the dashboard. Click on Settings and then API Keys to generate a new key. Select Create New API Key and give it a name for easy identification. Copy the generated account ID and auth token, you will need these later. Now, set up your development environment. If you haven't already, install Twilio's SDK for your preferred programming language. For Python, run the command pip install Twilio. For Node.js, use the command npm install Twilio. Create a new file in your project directory. Import the Twilio library at the beginning of your file. Add your account ID and auth token to your code securely. Define the recipient's phone number. Define the message you want to send. Use the Twilio client to create and send the SMS message. For Python, this would look like client.messages.create. For Node.js, it would be similar but formatted for JavaScript syntax. Test your setup by running the script. Check the recipient's phone to see if the SMS has arrived. If the message is not delivered, double-check your Twilio credentials. Ensure the recipient number is correctly formatted, including the country code. Consider setting up error handling in your code for better reliability. Congratulations! You have now set up the Twilio SMS API to send alerts programmatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.